Every star starts in the rain, even Taylor Swift. Stick with me. This one's about growing through storms. She wasn't born fearless. She chased melodies in basements, wrote truths on sticky notes, and walked wet streets with big dreams. Every heartbreak, every midnight jam, they weren't detours, they were steps. Steps toward stadium lights. Steps that turned raindrops into songs. Like Taylor, some journeys aren't loud. They're quiet, steady, and full of belief. Next time rain hits your window, remember your song. Subscribe for more calm stories like this.